So I was recently asked by, I don't know if it's Gen Z or millennial, why is there so much stress? Why is money such is a source of such anxiety? First, there's no formal education around money. We're basically flying by the seat of our pants when it comes to personal finance. We may read some blogs, listen to some podcasts, or go to that 1 hour session that the company provides for our 401k onboarding. But generally, unless you seek it out, there's no education about money. And I think this is really important, and I think it's cultural. We have financialized everything, including our idea of success. The entire middle section of my book is devoted to remembering where true wealth comes from. Things like staying healthy, learning new things, maintaining close relationships with your family and your friends, finding a way you can give back to the world, being generous and grateful. One of the important implications of the planning process is you actually think about what matters to you. Your definition of success should involve things that make you content and happy. If you build a life on that foundation, money just gets a lot less stressful. It's never really been about the money, but the stress brings the money front and center. Thanks for listening. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments and check out our programs for those people who don't meet industry minimums. Just click the link below.